Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to cook baked potatoes. First, select the ideal potato, like a russet or Idaho, known for their fluffy texture. Give them a good scrub under running water to ensure they are clean. Then, grab a fork and pierce each potato about 6 to 8 times. This crucial step prevents them from exploding in the oven by letting steam escape, ensuring a perfectly cooked result every time. Now let's get those potatoes baking. Preheat your oven to a steady 400 degrees Fahrenheit. For that irresistible crispy skin, lightly coat each potato with a touch of olive oil and then sprinkle generously with coarse salt. Place them directly on the oven rack. They'll need about 50 to 70 minutes to become perfectly tender, so be patient and let the oven work its magic. If you're short on time, a quick microwave pre-cook can speed things up significantly, taking just 5 to 10 minutes before they hit the oven. Or, for a delicious smoky flavor, wrap your potatoes in aluminum foil and grill them for about 45 to 60 minutes. Regardless of your method, aim for an internal temperature of 210 degrees Fahrenheit to confirm they are perfectly cooked through and ready to enjoy. Once your baked potatoes are ready, it's time for the best part, serving. Carefully slice each potato lengthwise, then use a fork to fluff up that soft, steamy interior. Now, the fun begins with toppings. A classic pat of butter, a dollop of sour cream, fresh chives, or a sprinkle of shredded cheese are always winners. Don't hesitate to get creative with bacon bits, chili, or even steamed vegetables for a hearty meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.